Today is Sunday, May 11th, and today I learned that your external circumstances will passively affect you, but they do not directly affect you, right? So they passively, indirectly affect you, but you need to make sure that it does not directly affect you. You need to use your own direct actions to combat it if it's not what you want, or to work with it if it is what you want. Okay, so there's a good example and a bad example, right? So when the current environment you're in is passively, indirectly affecting you in a negative way, right? So let's say maybe you're in a bad mood for some reason, right? Something like the circumstances, the situation you're in is putting you in a bad mood. Don't let that affect your direct actions to everything else, right? So don't let a bad situation put you in a bad mood and then you reflect that bad mood onto people, right? Don't let it affect your direct actions in that way if it's negative, right? But then also flipped around, if you're in a good environment, if you set up your environment maybe so that it indirectly affects you in a positive way, then take your direct actions in line with it so that you achieve what you want to achieve. So the main example I'm thinking of is like your environment when trying to be productive, right? If you don't have your phone on you, if you have like music, if you have all of your materials with you, if your environment is set up correctly, then you can be really productive and you can align your direct actions to align with what you're trying to achieve, which is like getting this task done, right? Your environment indirectly affects you. If it's in a negative way, then don't let that translate into your direct actions onto external things, right? Coming from you. But if it's a positive effect, then let your direct actions translate into the task you're trying to complete, the person you're trying to talk to, whatever, right? So I know this is a short video, but it is what I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.